Kashnong kajingker khu ka bakraw ya kashnong Maulendap Ribhoi District kashnong ka balajit kerpang do MP Rajya Sabha u Dr. WR Kharlukhi banra ya kam pynroi bat ban longru ka model village hadin ba u Dr. WR Kharlukhi mentagasngi ba ar ula lej ban pli paidbah ya community Biofloc Fish Farming Unit bat buntli kiwei pat project hapo kasansat adraj gram yojana SAGY2 bala pentrei lembagi skim bapher na kitnad sorkar bapher ya kani ka community Biofloc Fish Farming Unit kabadon khat santli ki unit late ha ka jinglut ka bakot shaka shi point khat ar klur Lyngba ka Meghalaya State Aqua Culture Mission 2.0 da ka jingker sahlang jongka DRDA Ribhoi District bat ka Power Grid Corporation of India kani ka project kala penmi hadu arpo 1000 kilo ka dokha ha kawai ke cycle batla abin penyat arsin ha ka shisnam lakmi lenti ba kane ka project kan ai ka jingmentoi ka bakraw bat kan penklanya ka kamai ka ji jong kinongrap bat kinongri ro kha ha ka than ha kane ka program u Dr. WR Kharlukhi MP Rajya Sabha ula shimbenta banlongkum ukongsan kat ba u Dr. Celestin Lingdo MLA ka Muslim constituency ula longkum usembut kongsan kiwei kibala don lang ha kani kesngi ki kynthup ya u Raja Brahma project director ke DRDA bat nodal officer ke SAGY uba thong BDO ka umsning CNRD block ka media Aihun Kongjliu superintendent of fisheries Ribhoi district ringkat bat kinong yalam shnong ki officer sorkar bat ki paidbah nongsong shnong.
Napo ka blok umsing ka balom ka total jo kene ka timpenman kalong saulak tingka ikum joro aga bede bat kene ka livelihood service center ka wahaba po jo ka MKSP biasa Khlieh hanya for pulau di batungit pakalong gaji tu nak komtar dengan kisong bagi kisong rumah.
Kalau memang programnya.
Called brown water culture technology. Here we have zero water exchange of fish, which means you don't need to exchange any sort of water. And the beauty about biofloc culture is from a small culture unit like this. This is a 30,000 liter capacity unit. You can grow up to 1,500 kg of fish at one culture system. That one culture system means it's only 6 months. In a natural pond, you grow for 1 year approximately. So another beauty about this is you know that fish excretes and they give ammonia. Through the biofloc culture, you convert to giving carbon source, which is it can be yeast and it can be yogurt. You add it into the power system, aerate it. Once the aeration is done, it converts your ammonia into nitrates and nitrites, which reduces the feed cost in the production unit. So your feed cost is reduced. Your instead of covering a pond of 0.1 hectare or approximately 1 hectare of pond, you will get the production from a tank like this. So this reduces in peri-urban and urban areas. You can solve the problem of a culture system. Anybody wants to take up entrepreneurship in the fishery sector, invest in amount and you can get your production from a very small unit like this.
How much can it produce?
Right now, can produce up to 20,000 kgs of fish in one cycle. That one cycle can be 6 months, depending on the depending on your temperature. If the temperature drops, then your culture extends to 1.5 year. But if your if like a feasible area of now where we have 28 degrees Celsius, you can culture two culture cycles in one year. So that approximately for a farmer, it means translate this into a production of approximately, let's say if we sell it at 350 kgs of fish, because you can culture here fishes that are of higher value, your shingi or magu, you can give a little bit of gasoline, and all those things, if you sell it at 350 rupees, you get approximately 70 lakhs from this whole unit in one cycle. Is this one of the kind of we have small individual units that we have started, but the first ever community cluster-based intervention where you have an end-to-end solution, because this is not a standalone project. With it, we have linked under the Meghalaya State Agriculture Mission 2.0. This project also has a seed production unit here within Mawphor itself. Then you have a feed mill within the village itself. Then you will have, because right now we're concentrating on culture. Then we also have a post-harvest solution. So you will have a cold storage here within the village itself. You have a fish transportation, and you will have a retail unit. So this is an end-to-end solution kind of a model pilot. This is the first of its kind in the state.
Các công trình tiếp chọn ngầm được tiếp hàng thay công nghệ đại khám tiếp hàng thay cái demand này đọ kha tăng hay dầu độ hấp ban ra nước kiwei Pakistan thì thay cái này cái lòng cái chừng cái khui đi và để phía lại mình ta cái im bệnh mốc vấn đề cái này cái đọ kha cái im thay cái bêu kynhun hiếm đơn cao mình lại snow kynhun hàng này vấn thiết cái này cái đọ kha cái trong phì và hỏi snow kemen ru haba kut ketem jonga at least santali ki village ki bonga adopt hoy lightly snow hun namar ba ngai I ke result artly hagor hills request of chief minister wai nga artly kai ke bajia haba le satay ke kam ga yai hong dot sini ke kam ga yai te nimla ban poise se Andrei hagini lightly kam ga yai bha kan maulan dep koi khlieh sem koi nang ta bat ka mol maliang te ka mon ong ka mol maliang na ka tourism ka di katai mol maliang le kidang don pop shot shot hakane ka ngadang yo ka scheme na donor la approve mentangi apsa ka ban accept na ka finance department central government kila ban yo do klur something ban develop ya kataka hỏi vừa đi cho bạn cái tiếng dọ trong khi là khánh lăng bạn ở cái dọ try lại trong cắt hi bạn cả modern đẹp hàng này thấy có cái sông tnad cái long ba cái khlieh sem mà có qua mà adopt những cái village mà clean cái kỳ bật tray cái world vision ông ai nga cái sông cái đúc tâm ki ai cái khlieh sem nói khi và persang kat bala là bak strop bạn hang to nga sem và hỏi cái qua pangidang puli Said Ongba, the Deputy Commissioner DM is the backbone of the Indian administration. Harendatrai kam, the BDO is actually the backbone of the Indian administration. Kaniga kam hangni ga yai bet, namar BDO jongphi, bak Burma to kapor. Katega kam hangte ga yai bet, udah BDO hangte. Hado ba, ngasih ong CM. On the depan kan ria yung BDO, KSM namar ka politics semua. Kedua ini tengah orang resign, nomor bang ini terekam. Dengan peni doktor, hantai kita bok, jadi udah arsitek, kiyeng bagi snagi beduk, kiyeng sepok hari. Tamu kilong kepoi hapok ketuk amau ni bagi senang. De sakawai keba, kiyok kelong ke hani ha, maulan dep kelam lah berkontribut kita ke solar light. Yoki hantai bat try the whole village. Yo ke solar lamp te hoy kene ke jing persang brio jongi hendrai ko bonong barwai kini ki hon hep kai ke jing kerkru play bangam phi ni mani ni sekri nangta ko bonong MLA menem on ki riew haja te hoy ngahikai snot college te ki por long president ke NPP Iba Ruben idan buat nga The crow even join SPP sila join lang ilang general secretary. Habang aja di gini idai mai tangga try lembau daman mbak Ruben poyanga kumta kemau lendep kemudian kita harus penyak beneran ba hiyo gini bukan longga adopted village